Welcome to Online Learning Central. This is Lawrence Wilson here in Silicon Valley. Today I'd like to share with you what we believe are the top 5 training programs for Linux that will help boost your open source software career in the new year. Now, over the past 12 months, we have published and shared with you a large number of Linux training programs, great and small, and we have gone back and handpicked what we believe are the 5 top programs that can give you core skills as well as intermediate and advanced expertise in Linux. Let's start with developing applications for Linux. This is a Linux software foundation training program that will give you core skills, as the name suggests, in Dev for Linux, specifically application development. Second, Linux kernel internals and development. This is particularly tailored for those of you who are interested in the OS for Linux and really getting in and getting your hands dirty with the kernel. Next, essentials of Linux Sys administration. For all of you Sys admins out there, this course is tailor-made for you. Next up is Kubernetes Fundamentals. And as many of you know, this particular domain or subdomain within Linux is focused on the containerization of applications and core Linux functions. Next, developing applications for Linux, another Linux Software Foundation program. And finally, for those of you that want to set a stretch goal, if you will, for your career in the new year, digital forensics and cybercrime with Kali Linux fundamentals. Now, many of you will know that Kali Linux is specifically designed for security purposes. And in this era of rampant cybercrime and InfoSec threats, Kali Linux is becoming more and more pervasive in its use, and therefore the demand for people with skills with Kali Linux is growing as well. So select one or more of these training programs depending on your goals and skill set, and we think that you will help really advance your career, both career opportunities as well as your earnings income in the year ahead. This is Lawrence Wilson for Online Learning Central, signing off. I wish you much success. We'll see you soon.